Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. In the previous video, we had an introductory part of Python. As we all know now, that Python is like having a magic wand that you can use to create anything you can imagine. So let's get started. Now grab your favorite seat, take your computer, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. So let's write some code. But wait, where we gonna write some code? We are gonna write on Notepad, Microsoft Word, Google Docs. No, we are gonna write code in an IDE, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a powerful and versatile text editor with support for a wide range of frameworks and programming languages. It offers an array of features and plugins to enhance productivity while being easy to customize and extend. We can write any other programming languages also in VS Code such as C, C++, Ruby, or any other another language which I have learned anything. So, but before installing VS Code, let's install Python. Installing Python is a straightforward process that can be done on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating system. I'm going to install Python on Windows system. The same process is also in the Linux operating system and Mac OS. Python ideally. Python ideally integrated development and learning environment is a program that provides a simple environment to write and run Python code. I'm gonna tell you later on. So let's install and set up our Python and VS Code. So now without wasting our time, let's install Python and VS Code. To install in Windows, let's go to Microsoft Store, and if we search Python, this is the latest version of Python. Let's install this. Till the installation, let's go to browser. You can use Google, Firefox, etc. Let's type VS Code. The VS Code is built by the Microsoft company and it is free to use. Let's install this for Windows. The installation has started. So see, we can run Python, C++, and there are many extensions in this, such as plugins, which helps us to code very fast and improve our productivity in coding. I think it is done. Yes. So let's open this. Accept the agreement. Next. 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 Oh, you should add these buttons also. Install. Let's see if Python is installed or not. It's installing. We will wait for some time. So let's launch the VS Code. And here we now have installed the VS Code. This is the interface of the VS Code. You can open folder, you can search, source control, and these are extensions which I was talking about. We have been installed one. We will install many extensions also. For now, let's open any folder. I'm gonna create a new folder over here. Let's select this folder, and here we are. Let's see the Python has installed or not. Yes, the Python has been installed. Now let's set up. Wait, you should trust the authors. Let's install some extensions. So let's search Python, and we should install this. There are many extensions which I'm gonna tell you. Now, if you want to change the theme of this, such as there is an extension, material theme, icon theme. Yes, this one, it's installing. There's auto rename tag, bracket highlighter, and we should install code runner. I will tell you everything about this extensions. Let's first install all this. Code spell checker. Yes, this one. And let's install error runs. Yes, this one. Let's install path inference. Yes. And let's install tab 9. So now I will tell you everything about this all extensions which I have installed. So bracket highlighter, which highlights the bracket while coding. You will see this extension while we are writing the code. And there's a code runner to which we can run the C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, all these programming languages. Code spell checker, it's for spelling checker in the code. See, like this. You can change the spelling. And this is the best thing. You can change high contrast or ocean, talenite. I like this theme. And there's error runs which which will show you in the code only the error which we have in the code. And the path intelligence Visual Studio Code plugin that auto completes file name. Like importing any other file, it will help us. And this is the Python intelligence which will give us snippets to run the code. I will talk about snippet also. And tab 9 autocomplete for JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, PHP, Go, etc. So let's write some code. In this video, I will show you only the first line of the code. Let's create file main.py. This with this you can create new file, or with this you can create new folder like this. So let's write our first code. Are you excited? Let's write our first code. I will tell you everything about this later. Let's write. hello world. So you can see this explanation which have been given by the tab 9. Running this code, we have to do some configuration. Let's go to settings. Let's say after delay, font size you can change. I'm gonna go with 18. Font family, you can change your font family also. Tab size, and let's install some font family. I want you to go this and search for Fira code iScript. You can find over here. This is the font I like the best. So download or clone this repository and install the fonts. So let's download this. We will download with zip. It's installing and let's showing folder. Let's extract. Yes. Extract over here only. And after this, we should install this all fonts. Install italic. Install regular. Install. Oh, this is readme. We don't have to read. So now let's cut this pages, downloads, and just that. And let's copy this and paste it over here. Comma. And I want you to install one more thing. One dark pro. Pro metallic. And uh, this is the theme. Yes, this is the theme. This is one more theme I like most. And it also this theme it's look nicer. And render white space cursor style you can change to block, underline, line thin. I want line only. Let's change to block. Multi custom modifier alt yes. Word wrap we can on execute association things editor. So I want to go over here and type code runner and clear previous output. The lab insights and the running terminal. Save all files before run. Save file before run. Yes. And if we go over here and run, and hello world is printed in the terminal. Let's talk about this code in the next video.